How do I get an IRS levy lifted? Okay, let's just assume for this discussion that this is on a bank account. So they've seized your bank account, so to speak, frozen the funds, and you've got a certain number of days. The bank will hold it until they mail the entire balance or up to the balance of the levy to the IRS. So there's a couple things that have to take place. You have to come into full compliance, meaning any back taxes, if you're an employer, employee payroll reports, everything has to be filed up to date. And then we would assess, okay, here's the total balance owed. That's called the assessment. And then we would get into an installment agreement or non-collectible status, and this would get the levy lifted. There are other situations where you would get it lifted. Let's say doubt as to collectability, doubt as to liability, and undue hardship. And I can't go through all the details, but let's just say undue hardship. If you had written a rent check to your landlord and they've seized your account or levied it, suddenly you've written a bad check and you're about to be evicted, well, that would qualify and we could potentially get this levy lifted and the funds put back into the account for your use.